everyone, welcome back to another video. I kind of feel like I don't do a juice video in oh so long, but I found some cherries at the market yesterday and I bought 4 pounds. Yes, I haven't had cherry juice in oh so long. And guess what, guys? What I did was to wash it and pick out the really bad ones. Now what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm gonna juice it as opposed to blending it, because I find when I use the juicer, I get most of the juice from the cherry. So after juicing, I'm going to add water, add ginger, sweeten and thing. If you want to continue watching this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like the video, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this one. Juicing may take a little time, guys, but trust me, like I said earlier, I think I get most of the cherry from the pulp. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. If you don't have a juicer, guys, it's no big deal. You can use a blender, right? So I'm gonna start now. And of course, guys, this is it. 1 big bowl of cherry juice. Look at that. I call it the cherry concentrate. Now what you can go ahead and do, guys, is to add the amount of water that you like on it. So for me, I'm going to add maybe like 6 cups of water and see the consistency of it. This is so good. You can use the cherry juice to make sauce, glaze, juice. We all know cherry contain a lot of vitamin C, right? So it's very healthy. What I'm going to do now is to just add my water. And now you can go ahead and you can add whatever sweetener you like. I'm going to be using sugar. And you sweeten to taste. This, guys, is so good. It reminds me of when my mother used to make cherry juice for us when I was a child. So refreshing, so nice. Look at that. The texture is lovely. The consistency, I mean, is lovely. And remember, now you can mix your cherries with different fruits. If you want fruit punch, you can do mango, pineapple, cherry. But you know, I've never seen cherry selling at the market. It's just God was with me yesterday, guys, and I saw somebody selling them and I decided I'm not passing it at all. I've never seen anybody selling cherries. Jamaican cherry, that is. And see there, guys, this is a very easy juice you can make at home for your family as opposed to buying the store-bought, right? Very nice and healthy. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to add it to my fridge for it to be chilled, and then we serve it up. There you have it, guys, a nice refreshing Jamaican real cherry juice, guys. I hope you give this recipe a try if you can find the Jamaican cherry, or if you plant the tree, share it with me. All right, very refreshing. Haven't had this in such a long time. And now we're going to garnish with fresh mint. Look at that, guys. So nice, so lovely, guys, so lovely. Can't want nothing more than this, you know. Look how both my drinks look. Yes, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Until next time, guys, bye.